Wanna learn how to make an Ali Abdal style intro animation like this inside of After Effects? Well, let me help you. Let's go ahead and import our main clip, the background clip and the transition clip into After Effects. Select the rotor brush tool from the tools panel and then double click on the main footage and then select the part which you want to edit, which is your main hero character. Use Alt and then deselect the part which is not wanted. Do this keyframe by keyframe to get a perfect cut. I've done it fast for the sake of the video. Duplicate the rotor brush layer while deleting the rotor brush effect from the second layer and pre-comping the first layer. Bring the non-pre-comp layer at the bottom and the background layer above it. Then change the track matte of the background layer to alpha matte. Now let's add a simple position animation to the rotor brush layer. Let's go ahead and add our text and let's change the font color and size and the font type for the text. Then add an After Effects preset called Fly In with a Twist. Then click on the layer and press U and then bring in the keyframes closer. Then open the properties for the text layer and change the position from the range selector options. Boom, there you have it, your Ali Abdal style intro animation.